Could you tell us how is TMC looking as far as the upcoming assembly elections in Goa is concerned? Any number that TMC is looking that they can competitively bring?
We have to trust people. Trinamool Congress just started. Since Mr. Peladio and others they joined with us. But within this short time, everybody knows that Trinamool Congress is doing political work started in Goa and they are taking preparation for the election. I think Goa is a very beautiful state and they will celebrate their 60 years of liberation. And let this year celebrate as the Navi Shakal, new dawn of Goa. Let the sun rise, let the sun shine, and let the people smile. Goa have everything with them. What not? Fishing, to tourism, to mines, to sea, to so many things. But the problem is now nobody takes care. It is neglected now. And neglected because nobody is there to take care for the people. Only the government and formation of the government stealing the MLAs. It cannot give you the result. In real politics, in our democratic setup, whatever is the assurance giving before the election, the manifesto, that is to be fulfilled. And political commitment is the main commitment and credibility. Our credibility is our commitment. So I believe that we love Goa, we know their problems. I met the fishermen because I am fishing man. Next time I meet the taxi drivers and others also wherever civic society also. There's so many times I will be coming. Next also. So face by face I will be meeting the people. And I am very happy that Gender also joined today with Nafiza Ali and Nirmala Deshpande. Thanks, congratulations to all of you. So I think that Goa there is a let Goa rule Goa. It is not that Delhi से लड्डू आएगा और दिल्ली का लड्डू गोवा चलाएगा. दिल्ली का दादागिरी एक बंद होना चाहिए. गोवा को अपन पाए में खड़ा होना चाहिए और उसका फाइल उसको ही होगा. हम लोग उसको मदद करेगा. हम सिस्टम बना देगा, मैकेनिज्म बना देगा. जितना मदद करना है. They didn't have problem for the economy, but they cannot manage it. It is totally mismanaged. Otherwise, what Goa has as a small state, हमारा बंगाल में इतना भी नहीं है, लेकिन देखो हमारा 40% हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कम करेंगे. लेकिन इधर फिशिंग मैन को अभी 30,000 कर दिया, उसका सब्सिडी 50,000. एक्सपोर्ट भी बंद है, रोता है. हम चाहते हैं गोवा शुड स्माइल. लेट मी सी गोवा शुड स्माइल. लेट द सन शाइन एंड न्यू dawn.
From the wheat maxi, is your party planning to form an alliance with other parties so that BJP can be ousted from power after 10 years?
We discussed this matter so many times for so many elections, but no result finally came out. And that's why let us stand in our own way. And I cannot discuss everything in details in this meeting now, because it depends on situation and everything. And local leaders, we have to discuss everything, and then it's a collective decision. It is not an individual decision, so I cannot tell you right now with this. But if anyone is interested to work with us, we'll be happy.
Are you interested in alliance with Congress?
I can reply to that question.
Mamta, I have a question for you. Prashant Kishore has said that another 40 years, nobody can defeat BJP. So do you agree with his statement?
It is better why don't you ask this question to him? He is a very efficient man. You can ask this question to him. His question you are putting up to my mouth.
आपको क्या लगता है? What do you feel? Do you understand?
हमारा पता नहीं ऐसा उन्होंने कभी बोला। उन्होंने ये हो सकता है बोला कि अगर हम लोग इससे नहीं करेंगे तो उसी के लिए तो हम लोग करना शुरू कर दिया। Do you think that only when TMC comes, only we divide the vote? When the other party comes, you don't ask this question to them? Ask this question to them this time. They have contested so many times. Let Trinamool Congress contest it this time. We will help everybody. We don't want to divide the vote, but don't ask me the question that only there will be any feudal landlordgiri or dadagiri, that only Delhi people will contest the election, no other people, that is not.
How many seats TMC plans to contest in Goa? All 40?
That local party we said, we the insiders, we trust our insiders, they will make their policy, they will decide everything, and we can discuss, we can consult, we can counseling, we can help, and it is to be decided together. I cannot tell it right now.
ये दिल्ली वाली दादागिरी मीन्स आपके लिए बात कर रहे हो या बीजेपी के लिए?
हम सबको लिए, जो दादागिरी करते हैं उसके लिए।